The World Best Rice, ST25 recommendation for diabetics. ST25 rice is a fragrant rice variety from Mr. Kua in Soc Trang Province, recognized as the best rice in the world in 2019 and 2023 in the Philippines. The rice has long, clear white grains without chalkiness, and when cooked, it exudes a subtle aroma of pandan leaves, combined with the fragrance of young sticky rice that is gentle and captivating. The cooked rice is dry, soft, very sticky, and has a slight chewiness. The longer you chew, the sweeter the taste from the rice starch becomes. Notably, ST25 rice maintains its soft and sticky texture even when cooled. Let's learn more about ST25 rice below. Origins of ST25 rice. ST25 rice comes from a special fragrant rice variety native to Soc Trang Province. This rice variety is particularly suitable for the soil of the Mekong Delta region due to its good salt resistance and high pest and disease resistance. Compared to popular fragrant rice varieties from Thailand or Cambodia, ST25 rice has advantages in terms of seasons, as it can be cultivated 2 to 3 times a year with stable yield and quality. Additionally, ST25 rice has robust stems and strong disease resistance, making it suitable for cultivation in shrimp rice rotation areas. Best rice in the world. In 2017, at the 9th International Rice Trading Conference, organized by the Rice Trader in Macau, ST24 rice, with its outstanding qualities, short growth period, long grains, clear white color, sticky rice texture, and subtle pandan aroma, was recognized as one of the top 3 best rice varieties according to global standards. ST24 organic rice won first prize at the 3rd Vietnam Rice Festival in 2018. In the world's Best Rice Contest in 2019, organized by the Rice Trader from November 10 to 13, 2019, ST25 rice from Mr. Ho Quang Qua excelled over Thai rice, winning first prize in the competition. In November 2023, ST25 rice was once again honored as the best rice in the world. Nutritional content. The standout feature that has made ST25 rice famous and recognized as the best rice in the world is the nutritional content within each grain. With a high protein content, along with iron, calcium, magnesium, and fiber, the protein level in ST25 rice is high, 10% protein, 1.5 times that of regular rice, which provides a feeling of fullness before the stomach is full. ST25 rice also has a low glycemic index, making it good and safe for users' health. It is suitable for all customers, especially children, the elderly, and those with a history of diabetes. Therefore, this rice variety is increasingly common on the dining tables of every household. ST25 rice is not only a source of pride for Vietnam, but also a testament to the creativity and resilience of the nation's agriculture. The success of ST25 goes beyond its commercial value. It also opens a new future for other high-quality rice varieties from Vietnam, helping to assert the position of Vietnamese agricultural products on the international stage. ST25 rice has become a symbol of sustainable development and outstanding quality, bringing the authentic taste of homeland to friends around the world.